Ready to discover your perfect student home? Step into Woodhouse Flats, Leeds, the vibrant and modern accommodation located in one of UK's most dynamic student cities, where comfort meets convenience with ease. Choose from sleek and stylish ensuite rooms designed to suit your student lifestyle, giving you everything you need to relax, study, and feel right at home during your academic adventure. Experience ultimate comfort with high-end amenities to add to your convenience. Enjoy secure bike storage, efficient laundry facilities, and on-site CCTV, all with inclusive utility bills, making daily life as seamless as it can be. Situated in a prime location, you'll be connected at all times. With Leeds Arts University and University of Leeds located just a short 5-minute walk away, your daily commute will be effortless. Feeling hungry? Grab a bite at the popular Sandwich Co. or Mahmood's Woodhouse. For easy travel, hop on a bus from Clarendon Road or Leeds University, or head to Burley Park train station for quick city connections. So why settle for less when you can live in style? Visit amberstudent.com and book your spot at Woodhouse Flats Leeds today.